Cindy Lynn with BridgeviewAdventures here.
Hi, this is Cindy Lynn
and Tony
with BridgeviewAdventures.
Welcome to BridgeviewAdventures.
Hey, Cindy Lynn here
And Tony
with BridgeviewAdventures.
Hello, this is Tony with BridgeviewAdventures.
Hey, Cindy Lynn here.
And Tony
BridgeviewAdventures. Cindy Lynn
and Tony
BridgeviewAdventures.
This is BridgeviewAdventures. This is Tony.
I'm Cindy Lynn.
Hi, I'm Cindy Lynn.
And I'm Tony.
And this is BridgeviewAdventures, or Bridgeview Farm, and
Zero.
Mr. Zero. He loves being outside. So we just wanted to do a video, a 1-year recap, since our pole barn was started exactly 1 year ago today. We had pole barn started by the Amish, and it all started right here. We had the desire in our heart. We knew what we wanted. Then it moved to here, or here, in Tony's brain for the planning stages. Then it moved from here to here on paper, and then from here to here. And this is where we are today. So we have our frame of the pole barn built, and we're just going to do that 1-year recap to show you guys the progress from 1 year ago today. And then from once the pole barn was built, Tony and I have been working on the living quarters. So this video is just going to focus on the shell frame that we did by the Amish. The 1-year look back. When we started, we just had empty land, and then we had the shell of the pole barn started. So we hope you guys enjoy the video of the 1-year look back. And for all of you that has been following our journey, we appreciate you following along. If you're new to our channel, we do a lot of pole barns. Oh, he's so sweet. We do a lot of pole barn videos of us finishing out the living quarters or contracting the work out. And also we do a lot of motorhome stuff because right now we're actually living in our motorhome while we finish out the living quarters. So we do hope to be done sometime this year, and we are working very hard at that.
Yep.
Anything else you'd like to add?
No, not really. Just if you've got a dream that you want to chase, if this is kind of an idea that you're thinking you want to do, the hardest thing is to get started.
Yes.
You just got to make that jump. It's hard.
It's a leap.
But I mean, once we did it, it was pretty much just ball rolling from there. It's not,
Yep.
That was the hardest part.
Yes.
Start.
Decide that you want to do it. Get the plan here and focus on what you want and take that one step forward, the leap of faith.
Yep.
And work in that direction, and it will happen. It will happen if you truly want it right here. So, well, thank you guys. We'll see you guys in the next video, and hope you're enjoying this beautiful day like we are. It's a beautiful, beautiful day. So, tell them bye, Zero. It's our baby boy Zero here. Look at him, so sweet. Bye, guys.